See what this guy's doing over here. He's grinding down some of the concrete. Probably just imperfections on the walls where they join together, these wall panels. Let's keep it zoomed in. You can see inside the building here all the supports, and there's obviously going to be some big windows here in the front of the building. It's like 2-story windows. Let's zoom out a little bit. Right here you can see them. It's going to look really nice. People in the building are going to have a real nice view out. And I don't know if that's going to be open inside of there. It's obviously going to be 2 stories around most of there. There's probably going to be, I'm guessing, like an atrium or large entryway.